Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Roxanne and today I have another twerk tutorial for you to try at home. This time we're going to twerk on the floor, just like this, yeah? If you want to learn how to get this booty jiggle on the floor, stay tuned, I'm going to show you how. Now, first things first, if you have a hard floor like myself, you probably want to get some knee protection, like it could be knee pads, knee-high socks. You can just take socks and wrap them around your knees, or you can do it with a yoga mat like I have back there, just to protect your knees, because if you practice this a lot, it can get quite painful and then it's not so fun. So I want you to like be comfortable and enjoy this while you do it. So yeah, that's my safety tip for now. So let's get into it. First, we need to assume the correct position. So as you can see, I'm sitting on my shins and my knees, and I'm gonna open my legs, boom, like so. Then I'm gonna come down on my hands. So I want to bring my hands in front of my knees and I want to rest kind of my weight onto my palms, yeah? I'm going to open my chest out, make sure your back is always arched, because if your back is rounded, it's going to be harder to twerk. You want to open it nice and high so you have a lot of range in your hips. Also, the reason why I open my knees out is because if I'm not too open here, you notice it's a bit harder to twerk and you have this tendency to it just doesn't look nice, yeah? Just open your hips. Just open them, yeah? So we're going to start in this position where my booty's a bit further down, yeah? And I'm just going to lift my booty up and down, up, down, up, down, yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's okay if you notice that maybe your knees are moving a bit or your feet are moving a bit, that's totally fine. As long as you get the movement in your butt, you'll be good. Now to get that real jiggle when you're on the floor, what I think of when I do it, because I'm shaking up and down, but if I think that I'm going to slam my butt down every time, so I lift it up, slam it down, slam it down, slam it up and down, yeah? Just let it shake, let it hang, let it jiggle, and you'll be good, yeah? Whew, that does get tiring sometimes. So that is how you do it when you're a bit further down. Now some people like to twerk a bit higher. Yeah, so the difference between this position is that I'm really sitting into my feet. Now I'm going to come a bit further up. Now I can bring my knees together, but I'm also going to bring my booty up. It's not like here where we were before. We're coming up now. And then the same thing. I'm just going to shake my booty. I'm going to lift it up and down. Let it shake, let it hang, let it jiggle, 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 jiggle. Yeah, and then you can even swap. You can come down and bring it up. And again, back down, and back up. Okay, so I know I went over that quite quickly, so let's just go over it again real slow. I'm gonna open my knees. This is for when you do your floor twerk further down. Bring my hands up in front of me. And I'm just gonna lift my booty up and down, yeah? Don't forget, pick which one you wanna emphasize on, and pick that so you can focus on throwing it up or throwing it down, you know? But if you just think about throwing it one way, then it's gonna go back the other way, you know, if that makes sense. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you this from the back so you can understand how it looks, because this is probably how you're watching it, right? So here, knees are open, hands are once again in front of my knees, and I'm just gonna shake my booty up and down, yeah? Just shake, shake, shake. I can bring it up, and I can bring it down. And again, bring it up again, and I can bring it down. And you can just keep shaking. This is such a fun move to do. When you're if you ever chill on the floor, sometimes I'm just on the floor chilling and I just start twerking just for no reason. I'm just woo, woo, woo. Yes, 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 yes. It's just such a fun and carefree move. So I have some tips and tricks on how to make your floor twerk look seamless and cute. My first tip, it might be quite hard if you're not used to dancing, especially if you're a beginner, but it just makes it look so nice and cute. I think, personally, I'm all about pointed toes, okay? I think this, to me, this one just looks way better than this. Do you not think so? This just looks so much cuter. If you just think, elongate your whole body when you do it. Elongate your toes, make them look nice and long. It also makes you look very long, and for some reason looking more long is more attractive. I know society just says that, but I'm gonna run with it. But this is a really nice way to just make it cute. Then, another tip. This is maybe a bit more advanced. What you can do when you do your floor twerk, you can also like bring your arms down, kind of like a push-up, and then you can also twerk with your head on the floor. If you want to, totally up to you. These are just tips and tricks that I like to add. One last time, for your floor twerk. First things first, be confident, be a baddie. Believe in yourself when you do certain things, and your body will come through with it. Like if you feel like, I'm not good at this, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work, honey. Like you need to put the energy out there to receive it. Do you know what I mean? So, you're gonna come, open your knees, hands in front. Really like rest your weight into your palms and shake, 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 shake what your mommy gave you. Shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. I can even move. I can even literally move around with it. And you see, the shake is just so pretty. So. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it helped you, and let me know if you have any questions below. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.